Imagine this. You're walking to work in 2026, sipping your morning coffee, when the ground starts shaking. You look up, and there it is. A T-Rex. Alive, breathing, and staring right at your soy latte. Yeah, the dinosaurs are back. But how? And more importantly, what happens to us when 65 million years of extinction suddenly gets undone? Let's find out. Okay, so here's the scenario. In 2026, scientists, because they can't help themselves, successfully bring dinosaurs back using advanced genetic engineering. Think Jurassic Park, but this time it's real. Maybe they splice dinosaur DNA with birds, fill the missing genetic gaps, and suddenly, we've got baby velociraptors hatching in a lab. Cute, until they start testing the fences. Now, let's say they don't stop at one species. Soon, the world has living dinosaurs, from tiny Compsognathus running through backyards to massive sauropods that make giraffes look like houseplants. At first, people would lose their minds. Theme parks, documentaries, selfies with a triceratops. But once the novelty wears off, reality kicks in. You see, dinosaurs weren't built for the modern world, and the modern world wasn't built for them. Cities are noisy, crowded, and polluted. Air today has far less oxygen than in the Mesozoic era. Some dinosaurs might actually struggle to breathe. Imagine a brontosaurus wheezing like someone running up 5 flights of stairs. And food? Forget it. A single T-Rex needed around 200 kilograms of meat per day. That's roughly 1 cow, every 24 hours. So unless we've got a spare cattle farm for every T-Rex, they're going to start hunting the next best thing, anything that moves. Then comes the ecological chaos. Modern animals, elephants, lions, whales, evolved in a world without dinosaurs. Drop in a few apex predators from another era, and the balance collapses. Raptors wipe out deer populations, herbivorous dinos eat entire forests, and suddenly, climate change gets an unexpected sequel. But hey, let's not assume dinosaurs can't adapt. Birds are technically dinosaurs, after all. Maybe velociraptors learn to raid garbage cans like raccoons. Maybe triceratopses chill in open plains like giant cows. And pterosaurs? Picture them fighting drones for airspace. Now here's where things get wild. Let's say dinosaurs thrive. Within a few decades, they spread across continents. Humanity finds itself sharing Earth with creatures that used to rule it. Governments would scramble to control them, maybe with tracking collars, fenced reserves, or tranquilizer drones. But a few escape. Imagine news headlines. T-Rex spotted near Los Angeles freeway. Whole cities might need new safety protocols, not for earthquakes or fires, but dino alerts. Schools teach duck and cover, not for tornadoes, but in case a velociraptor sneaks into the cafeteria. And the ultimate twist? Dinosaurs might end up changing evolution all over again. New species could emerge from crossbreeding or genetic mutations. Animals neither from the past nor the present. Basically, Earth 2.0. So, what if dinosaurs made a comeback in 2026? At first, it would be awe-inspiring, a living window into prehistory. But soon, chaos would replace curiosity. Humanity would realize why nature retired the dinosaurs in the first place. Because the planet might fit us, or them, but probably not both. So what do you think? Would you want to see a real T-Rex, or would you rather keep them as fossils? Tell me in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this trip into the prehistoric what if, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that little dino-shaped bell. After all, science is best enjoyed with a healthy dose of imagination, and maybe a reinforced door lock.